Hey guys, this is Charlie from Charlie Show. Today I'm going to show you we're going to Hoover for the basketball game. And I'm going to be showing you kind of like how I get ready. My hair is very greasy right now. So I'm going to go take a shower, and then there's no theme for tonight, so I think I'm just going to wear like a sweatshirt and leggings. And then after I go to the shower, I'm going to dry my hair with my dry brush. I might curl it, I don't know. And then we're going to head to Hoover to watch my boys play. So here we go. I just got out of the shower, and now it's time to get ready. Ready to go. We are headed to Hoover now. Ready to go. Ready to watch my boys do their thing. So, game for life, baby. So we just got to the game. The girls are playing right now. There's like
2-point basket from Lana Poobler.
Great, that's loud. There's like 10 seconds left in the third period. So
Oakland take down number 3.
we're ready to watch my boys play. They're all sitting right there. And we're gonna watch them do their thing. We're excited. Get in, baby. Halftime just started, and the score is 23-31. We're winning, because we're like that. My friend wanted to say hi.
Hey, good.
What's your name?
Oh, I'm Molly.
What's your name?
Please don't.
But we have a very small student section, and I'm like kind of mad about it. We have a very small student section, and like I'm kind of mad about it, but if you can't come to the games, don't come to the championship. But all the mamas are here. Yeah, Evan's mom, there's Joe's mom, Jack's mom.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Cindy Bond, and I'm the College and Career Specialist at Hoover High School.
I agree.
Tonight.
All right, so it is third quarter now. We get started.
Is this your vlog?
It is.
Hey vlog, we're beating Hoover. I got a haircut, so you might not recognize me because I have bangs now. Wait, it kind of looks bad. We're winning 31-23. Who?
31-25.
Well, it was 23 when I saw.
But kind of sad for our student section. But whatever. Theirs is even weaker for having a home game. But here are the guys. They're doing their thing. Not well, but they're doing it. But
Can that be your cover photo?
I don't do this so long.
Bro, yes you do. Ayo, vlog takeover. Once upon a time I had a vlog. It is 2022. We graduate in like 3 months. And hold on. We graduate in like 3 months and that is depressing. But I will still come visit. See Brit. 3 months.
February, March, April, May. 4 months.
Basket number 23, Matthew.
But moral of the story, it's kind of sad. And the motto for this year is fake it till you make it. Goo. I'm passing this to my fellow friends. Hello, Goom Country.
I'm passing the phone to the girl.
I'm passing the phone to the girl who's not pushing P. Not pushing P.
We're winning right now. Oh. Reaction video. We are winning 33 to 27. What did you say?
Basket number 23.
It doesn't zoom in. It doesn't zoom in. What do you want to say to the vlog? We took a picture. This is Goom Country.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Goom
bound for
country,
life.
no other country.
I better see this on the YouTube. I better see this on the YouTube.
Yeah,
Bye.
me too.